Today discussed a static GK topic, national awards. It is important for your exam. Today I discuss some theory based award. After uh, after one day or today or um, tomorrow I will upload another video of recent awardees. Okay, this theory based award is also important for your exam. Okay, there will be many questions formed in this chapter. So I discussed some important question in this topic. Please write them and memorize this. So let's start. First award is Bharat Ratna. First award awarded in 1954. First Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, C.V. Raman and Chakraborty Rajagopalachari. Last, that is in 2019, Pranab Mukherjee, Bhupen Hazarika and Nanaji Deshmukh. Second award is Padma Vibhushan. It is started in 1954. First award is Satyendranath Bose, and this person Nandulal Bose, Zakir Hossain and V.K. Krishna Menon is also award in this award. Also get this award. Next is Padma Bhushan, which is started in 1954. First Homi Bhabha. This is an important question. Question is formed in this place. Please write them and memorize this. Next, Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award. It is formally known as Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. You know, this is given from Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. First awarded 1991 to 1992, which is medium time between these 2 years. Okay, this reward is 25 lakh. First winner Viswanathan Anand, which is also important. Here we write some 2021 awardee. These are the things which is you can memorize. Neeraj Chopra, athletes. Ravi Kumar Dahiya, freestyle wrestling. Lovelina Borgohain, boxing, which is from Assam. P.R. Sieges, hockey. Avani Lekhera, Paralympic shooting. Sumit Antil, para-athletes. Pramod Bhagat, para-badminton. Manish Narve, Paralympic shooting. Mithali Raj, cricket. Sunil Chhetri, football. Manpreet Singh, hockey. Importance are Neeraj Chopra, athletes. Ravi Kumar Dahiya, freestyle wrestling. Lovelina Borgohain, boxing. And very important is Sunil Chhetri, football, because nobody from football are given in these awards in past. So this is also very important, Sunil Chhetri, football. And important, these five are most important: Neeraj Chopra, athletes. Ravi Kumar Dahiya, freestyle wrestling. Lovelina Borgohain, boxing, which is from Assam. P.R. Sieges from Kerala, hockey. Mithali Raj, cricket. Sunil Chhetri, football. Next is Arjun Award. It is second highest sporting honor award. First 1961. That is first award. It is started in 1961. It reward 1.5 lakh. You know, that is 1.5 lakh. Dasai Phalke Award. It is highest award in film. First 1969. Its price is 10 lakh. First Devika Rani is also important question. Question are from the each question can be from for your in your exam. Okay, Devika Rani, it is important. Last Rajinikanth, that is 51st. Okay, and you know 50th award is given Amitabh Bachchan. Next is Bharatiya Gyanpith Award, instituted on May 22, 1961. And please note, first awarded in 1965, start in 1961 and awarded in 1965. First winner G. Shankar Kurup, it is also important, from Malayalam language. 56th, that is in 2020, award is Nilmani Phokan. which is from Assamese language. 2021, that is 57th award is Damodar Mujo, that is from Konkani language. You know Konkani is language of Goa, main language, that is. Gandhi Peace Prize, established on October 2, 1994. It comes a cash prize of rupees 1 crore. It is maximum prize. Total awardee 19. First winner Julius Nare. You can remember this Julius. Latest winner, that is in 2020, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Last is Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development, instituted in 1985. First Parliamentarians for Global Action. It is given first in Indian parliamentarians for global action. 2019 awardee is Sir David Attenborough. 2021 Prothom, which is a NGO. Okay, thank you guys. Please write this important question and memorize this, and you get exam good, and you goodbye.